Hi guys, clean with me today. Let me show you what I do to my towels when washing them in the washer. This is what I do, guys. Just wait and see. And this is a tip that you can steal from me. This is a tip you can steal from me. Take your bicarbonate of soda, baking soda. This is baking soda, guys. You see? This is baking soda. Pick it up and let me show you what you do. This is what you do. A towel like this one. This towel, this is baking soda. You see? These towels, before putting them in the washer, you can see it's really stained. What happened is it got stained when it rained, and it was picked when not dry. I mean, it was not spread nicely by the person in my room. So what I'm doing is to sprinkle. Let me hold the camera so you see. What I'm doing is to sprinkle the baking soda on the towel. Sprinkle it up on the towel. Sprinkle it on the towel like that. And guys, because it's not only one towel that I'm washing, these others don't have issues. And this towel is not white, it's cream, so there's no reason why I should not mix it with these other colored towels. I sprinkle like that. Still sprinkling on the towels. And today is the towel day. I just sprinkle the baking soda like that. And then I'm going to get getting the detergent. This is my detergent. And, guys, my detergent is not in its original pack. But this is the detergent I use. Go away. You are coming to eat the detergent. Hey. There you. This is the detergent that I'm sprinkling. See, guys. On the towels, especially this one. It needs enough detergent, so that's it. So come with me, guys, as I put them in the washer. I'll put them in the washer, so come with me, guys. So it's a bit dark here. These are the towels. I'm gonna put them in the washer, as you see. So hold on, guys. Hold on. So there they go. Do you now see inside the washer there? And I don't know if I should add this one more towel. Should I add it? No, this one may shed some color, so I leave it at that. I leave it at that. And guys, I'm gonna put my washer on. You see, so those towels are going to be washed. And guys, this is my improvised space. I told you about me, it's improvisation because my problem is space. So guys, later I just wanted to show you that use of bicarbonate of soda. This is baking soda. I mean bicarbonate of soda. It's not baking soda, it's a... Oh, I forgot to put this one. I should have put this one also because it's white. So now guys, there goes my towels. And today is wash day. Today is wash day. I'm gonna wash clothes. Those towels are gonna be there for about 1 hour in the washer. And this is the secret. I'll show you the end product after 1 hour. This is the bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda. A very important product when you are doing some stained clothes. It comes out of there very clean and with very nice smell. So guys, I've forgotten this one. Let me put it there. So we leave it there for about a few minutes, for 1 hour, and then I'll come and soak these others in the washer, as you can see. And guys, please like and subscribe to this channel. This is Never Age TV. Let me go and do some other errands as I wait for that 1 hour. Then I'll show you especially that white towel, how it turns out, because I wanted to advise somebody on the baking soda secrets. It works like magic, guys. Works like magic. And my clothes were washed yesterday. Remember I showed you these clothes that were washed yesterday. Still we are struggling with the weather. They are still getting dry. Let's go to the other errand. Subscribe, guys, and thank you for subscribing. For those that have subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Now we are going to do other errands, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.